In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an autonomous AI workflow in n8n. We'll walk through the core building blocks that let your system think, choose the right tools, remember conversations, and act across your favorite apps. By the end, you'll understand how each part fits together so you can customize it for your own use cases. At the heart of everything is the AI agent, the brain of the workflow. It receives a user request and automatically decides which tool to use, whether that's a calculator for quick math, Gmail to send a message, or Google Sheets to create a new row. Say you ask it to send an email, summarize a passage, or update a spreadsheet. The agent interprets the intent and routes the task intelligently. Powering the agent are language models, the thinking engine. You can connect an OpenAI chat model to generate responses, understand prompts, and drive the agent. Anthropic's Claude and Google's Gemini are alternative chat models that plug in the same way, giving you flexibility in capability, pricing, or compliance. For structured tasks, AI chains provide ready-made patterns. A basic LLM chain handles simple prompt-in, response-out flows for custom instructions. A question-and-answer chain retrieves answers grounded in your connected documents. Summarization chains condense long text, while information extractors pull names, emails, and other structured fields. Sentiment analysis detects positive, negative, or neutral tone, and text classifiers sort messages into categories like complaint, sales, support, or spam. Memory makes conversations coherent over time. A chat memory manager stores prior context. Window buffer memory keeps recent turns for short-term continuity. And you can persist full histories in Postgres or Redis when you need reliability or scale. For deeper knowledge, vector memory powers retrieval-augmented generation. You can start with an in-memory vector store, or connect to Pinecone, Postgres with pgvector, or Supabase for durable, searchable embeddings. Embeddings from OpenAI or Google Gemini convert text into numbers so the AI can find meaning-rich matches. The agent can call tools on demand: a calculator, HTTP requests for APIs, Gmail, Google Calendar, Docs, and Sheets, a direct send email tool, SERP API for Google Search, Wikipedia, and Wolfram Alpha for advanced math and science. Workflows start with triggers like Gmail, Google Sheets, webhooks, schedules, manual or chat triggers, and Calendly. Integrations include Bitly, Dropbox, Gmail, Google Calendar, Docs, Sheets, YouTube, Reddit, X, 11 Labs, Perplexity, and Blue Sky. For example, the YouTube node connects directly to YouTube. Data transformation nodes such as set, filter, merge, aggregate, limit, remove duplicates, split out, sort, rename keys, markdown, extract from file, and convert to file, clean and prepare data before it reaches AI or apps. Here's the big picture. A trigger starts the workflow. Data is transformed. The AI agent receives the request, selects a tool, the tool performs the action, memory updates, and the output is delivered. This workflow turns n8n into a fully autonomous AI assistant that can think, remember, search the web, read documents, send emails, update Google Sheets, and even create YouTube playlists, all automatically.